Let's meet some new friends today. Our friend is looking at a flower. Flowers bloom in the spring. That's a toothbrush. He's brushing his teeth. That's an ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? That's a clock. It's what we use to tell the time. That's a seagull. That's a bird that lives near the water. There's a spider. He's spinning a spider web. Our friend is on a surfboard. He's surfing in the ocean. There's a pencil. It's what we write with. Oh, there's an octopus. Oh no, he looks scared. There's a bright yellow seahorse. There's a lobster. He's red. Look at those big claws. Oh, there's a jellyfish. How pretty. Stay tuned for more friends and more learning adventures with Polly Glotty.